Hey guys, Paul here, and today we are looking at this Huepar self-leveling laser level kit. And this is kind of the big Mac Daddy self-leveling laser level tools. And I'm not the most handy dude of all time, but I do a few projects around the house, and I've always wanted to have something like this, so I'm excited to check it out. And yeah, so we're going to get into it, show you everything it comes with, talk about how it's used, and I'll give you my thoughts on it and just review it, tell you everything you need to know about this product. To be fully transparent, this was sent to me for free to check out and do a review for. And so just because I got it for free is not going to affect my opinions on this. I'm going to be honest about this product. And so I'm going to flip the camera around and we'll open up this kit and start to show you what is in it and show you how it is used. Okay, so this is the SO4CG CR model. And you have a TV to hang, or if you're trying to do some sort of shelving project, or even like an art project where you're trying to hang multiple things, having a line level is going to be a game changer for you. And so this opens up. I love it when tools come in their own case. It makes it so easy to keep it all together. And so here is the level itself. And it does have 4 different lasers that shoot out of this thing. So you have a lot of different options, a lot of different lines. And this can be used a couple different ways, and I'm going to demonstrate those for you, but it can be used just by setting it on a surface, and then it will level out. Or you actually have this piece here, which is super strong magnets. So you could mount the level itself on here, and then you can make all sorts of little micro adjustments. So you can hang this on a wall with this, or do the magnet thing, and then you can make little adjustments to the platform to get your lines just right. So if you're doing something really precise, this lets you do that. I'll show you that here in just a second. I'll put it on here and show you that in just a minute. But also just want to show you that it does come with this little platform. If you're doing a flat surface, you can raise this thing up and totally get the exact height that you are looking for, which is super helpful. This is a little target, so you can test it out and see your lines, make sure they're level. It does have a little magnet there. And then this backing plate could be used to, you could hang this on a wall, and that will allow you to use the magnet attachment, put this on a wall. If you're, put this on the wall opposite of where you're working or beside where you're working, so you can really get the exact level that you need. This is, amazing if you're doing any sort of project where you need to make sure your TV's level or whatever. It does come with a remote, which charges via USB-C. So if you're working on a project and you want to turn it off and on with the remote, you can do that. And speaking of batteries and power, this can be powered 2 different ways. It has a lithium-ion battery that it comes with that recharges here via USB-C, and it does come with everything you need. I love it when a product comes with everything. So it's got your charging block and your cable, so you can charge the battery that way, which isn't as fast as if you actually leave the battery in and charge it directly here. So this is actually a faster charging point. So if you plug it in there, it will charge that battery. And then it also comes with this attachment, so you can power it on AA. So there's like a backup option if you're on a long project and this battery dies and you need to keep going, you can pop in AA batteries, and this fits in there. I'll show you. This fits in there just like the lithium-ion battery, but it would be full of AA's. So you can do that as well. So multiple battery options, multiple mounting and leveling options. So this is a very versatile kit for your projects. All right, let's show you how it works. There's an on-off button here that you hold down and it will power up. And right out the gate, you will see my line. And so that gave me a horizontal line and it goes all the way around. There's a line on me too, so it goes 360 degrees. And then you can do two different ones. So there's one shining here out of the top and the one shining out of the bottom. And yeah, so there's that. And then you can add in the vertical lines as well. So now that's sending a vertical line. And if you can go that way or both. And so then you get like this whole grid for hanging things, which is kind of amazing. And it does have an off-on switch here on the side. Oh no, so that unlocks, so this switch here on the side unlocks the self-leveling nature of it. So as you can see, it's got a gyroscope in there and it's wobbling, and now it has found level. And so if you're going to hang something, it will level out and then give you a straight and level line. So that is just incredible. Let me real quick throw it on this mount, and so you can see how that works as well. All right, so now we've got it here on the magnetic mount. You can also mount this on a tripod, if you have a photography tripod, or they sell tripods that are for levels or survey equipment or anything like that. So you can put this on the tripod and use it in the middle of a room, or you can mount it, like I said, magnetically, or you can hang it. A lot of different mounting options, but the way you can use this thing is we will turn it on, and then you can get like super precise with this. So this knob right here will turn it so you can rotate it however you wish, or you can move it left to right, really fine tune how you want to aim your level. So if you're trying to get shelves or an art piece or anything like that, this lets you nail it. So if you have any type of projects where you need precise leveling, this makes it so easy. No more measuring with a ruler or a tape measure and marking it with a pencil. This lets you nail it and allows you to be perfect. And so this thing, okay, it doesn't like being picked up. It will beep. So there you go. That's that. And yeah, so I'm going to really enjoy using this thing. It seems really user-friendly, and having all those different laser options is amazing and super helpful, and it appears to work really great. So this seems to be a winner of a product. This seems to be a winner of a product. Seems really sturdy. It seems to be built very, very well. This is really nice metal material, and then this rubber is really rugged. And so I am really excited about this line level, self-leveling line level.